how to add or remove the weather panel to the edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on display. Then in here, scroll down and tap on edge panels. Now make sure edge panels is turned on at the top so that you can add in other panels. Here, tap on panels and then swipe across and choose weather. So if you want to add in the weather widget, just select it, and here we can swipe across and select the weather widget. To view the weather widget. And to remove it, simply deselect the weather radio box, and that will remove the weather widget or the weather panel from the edge panels. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.